In this video, I will show you how to model a set of data using linear function and find the linear regression line in the form of y equals mx plus b. We will be using a graphing calculator, so please take out a graphing calculator to go along with this problem. All right, so here in this example, we're going to fit a regression line to the data given in the table, then use the function to predict the cost of 30-second commercial in 2018. So here we have a table with the years versus the cost of a 30-second Super Bowl commercial. First, we're going to go to Stat, and then choose the option Edit. And then we're going to enter the X values into L1 and the Y values into L2. 0 plus 0, enter. 1, enter. 2, enter. 3, enter. 4, enter. 5, enter. And then go over to the right side to L2. First, 2.9, enter. 3.1, enter. 3.5, enter. 3.8, enter. 4.0, enter. 4.5, enter. So notice that you have to be very careful when you enter these data, because if you press in the wrong number, your line will be off. All right. So next, what we're going to do here is go to Stat, and then go over to where it says Calc, and then we're going to choose an option that says Linear Regression, AX plus B. So the X value is in L1, Y value is in L2. Don't worry about the frequency, we can just ignore that, and then press enter. And here we have the equation y equals ax plus b. A is given to us as 0.314, b is 2.847, and then r right here on the bottom is 0.9929. So as you see here on the notes, that is exactly what we got on the calculator. Now, if you want to plot those points, what we do is we go to second and then plot, which is where the y equals is, second, and then plot. And then we want to turn on, so scroll over and then press enter. And then what type of plot do we want? We want a scatter plot. So the x value is L1, y value is L2. And then click on second and then graph. Sorry, not second graph, but just click on graph. Ignore the squiggly function. That's because I had something in the y equals to. I'm just going to clear that so that it's not there anymore. There we have the scatter plot. If we were to ask to graph the line, then we would go to Stat, go to Calc, and when we do the regression line, there's an option where it says Store. Click on VARS, and then click on Function, and then select Y sub 1, and then press Enter. So when we do that, if we were to go back and click on Y equals, you will see the equation of the line is there. And then when you graph, click on Graph, you will see the line going through some of those points. That line is the regression line. All right, so from the screen, we have the equation. And now if you want to predict the cost in 2018, the x value is 18. The x value is 8. So what we do is we place x with 8. Plus 2.847619048. Put that in the calculator and you will get the answer. 0.314285714 times 8 plus 2.847619048. So that gives 5.36. Let's round that to just one decimal place. 5.4. So it costs about $5.4 million.